Alright, so I finally got some plastic dip so I can do this right here. And like these seals and stuff all around the car. So I'm about to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so it's kind of windy out here. Hopefully y'all can hear this fine, but I painted all the seals on the car with the plastic dip. This is the biggest difference. It just make the whole car look cleaner. See, I don't even know if I remember how it was before. Well, I'm sure it ain't no video in between from when I first showed you I was gonna paint it. So yeah, you know how that goes. But this actually ended up taking me like 2 days to do because I didn't lay the plastic dip on real thick because it was spraying real weird. Just having this painted black instead of that chrome looks so much better. I still need to clean that off. And that's why it took me so long, because I didn't lay it on real thick because it was spraying real weird. I guess because it's too cold. It's been like 48 degrees or somewhere around here lately. But yeah, it looks a lot better just having those black now and having all the other seals looking much cleaner than they was before. So I was about to wash the car, but it say it's like a 72% chance of rain, so I'm gonna just go ahead and wait until tomorrow to wash it. But the inside is pretty clean. I just need to vacuum my floor mats because they got dog hair all in them from my dog. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then tomorrow I'll wash it so it'll be all clean, because I'm actually getting ready to sell this shell. I already posted it for sale. 270,000 miles on the chassis. That's quite a bit. It actually has a little bit more than that. But yeah, I'm selling the shell just because I want to keep my swap, most of the transmission. I'm not even too worried about the engine. I'm selling the shell because I want to buy a hatch. I think I'm gonna miss like this interior and how clean my engine bay is, and that's about it. But yeah, this is really like the only part that I like about the interior is the headliner, and I guess the fact that it's all black. But I can always do this to the hatch if I want to. But yeah, I'm trying to buy a hatch. That's for sale right now. It's just the shell, and it needs like some body parts on it. I think like the bumper, the front bumper, and the hood. I think it needed a driver side fender, and then it needed the glass for the hatch, and I think that was it. And it had full interior, it had carpet, and all of the stuff in the trunk and everything. So I really want to pick that up, and it's real clean. The body is straight. This car's been in an accident before, so I'd rather have that one too. But yeah, just go ahead and vacuum these floor mats and get it all cleaned up. Alright, so it's a whole nother day. Vacuum the floor mats that day. But what else I want to talk about? Oh, the buyer flaked on me, man. The dude that was gonna come by and look at it, he flaked on me or whatever. I had another person come by and look at it like a long time ago. But well, not a long time ago, it was like a few weeks ago. And he ended up flaking on me too. He said his motor blew up, but I don't really believe him. I think he just said that because he wanted to cop out or whatever. But I ain't tripping. It is what it is. I just want to get rid of this car already so I can get the hatch, because I've been looking at it for a long time now. I really want it. Anyway, I'm sitting in the car because it's pretty cold right now and it's kind of windy. I want to make sure y'all can hear me. That's another thing I'm gonna miss once I get the hatch, is having a sunroof. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I don't really know what else to do for this video. messy. As far as color, the color of the hatch was like an orangish color. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I don't know what color I'm gonna end up painting it, because I'm not gonna leave it that same color. If this thing had a hood, it'd be real clean. Just exposing my license plate. But yeah, you already know what this car look like. Just want to give y'all another walk around real quick. Never even told you how much I'm selling it for. I got it posted for like $900 right now, but I'm taking offers. This engine bay is dope. But yeah, I'm willing to take less for it because I'm just selling the shell. It's been crashed. I know it ain't perfect, so yeah. And it needs upper control arms. The suspension is decent though, it don't hardly move. Still somewhat low. Not as low as I used to be, but it is what it is. Only because of the whole exhaust situation. It's like hanging real low. Right there for some reason. One of those lower will scrape all the time and then disconnect up there. Wherever it's at. Somewhere up there. But yeah. Oh, got me. Come on, man. Nah, get down. No, it's ready for this interview? You feel me?
No.
You know.
Gotta get the J-O-P-P, you know?
You ready to cut this thing up, man?
I'm ready, but I'm not ready at the same time.
Oh, my Lord.
I'm nervous. I'm scared.
Where your people's at? They here?
My mom's here. My dad at work. Son at school.
She know that you about to do this?
Yeah. And tomorrow I'm going out to Yorba Linda to go pick up my...
Get this man. Chop it. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Why, mama? You're chopping up his whole car, bro. You got, oh my, ow! The homie tripping. Cutting his brand new car. How get that dirty up in there? That's crazy.
All that leaves fall out of there, bro.
I got the right size cars.
You did?
Yeah. Bro,
What happened, man?
I don't even want to do this no more.
It's too late now.
No.
Ain't no going back. Now you can replace this fender.
I can't.
The fronts, yeah, you can place the fronts, not the back.
That's how I'm doing the fronts first. See how I look? You feel me? Hitting the body. Hitting the body.
That shit crazy. Nigga cut. Poor car getting chopped up and shit. Like it's an old ass 240 or something.
Cut around it.
Nigga wrap this. Hold on.
gotta shave a little bit of this tab off right here. Cause it should prevent me from
Making it flush.
from making it flush onto the thing. I already did the other side like that, so I'll only do this one.
It don't look as bad now.
Huh?
I said it don't look as bad now.
Yeah, that one.
That should look disgusting at first.
You a statistic now.
Nigga been a statistic. You black.
Put it in a while now. There's Rocketbunny and Palmville.
Not too bad. It should look mean from the front.
Actually, doesn't look bad black, to be honest.
It look good on camera because you can't tell it's dirty.